Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 013 in the Crew Motorfest. This common issue often points to a server connection problem. Your first step should always be a simple restart. Completely close the Crew Motorfest, then power cycle your console. After that, confirm your internet connection is working correctly. These initial actions resolve many temporary glitches, getting you back into the race quickly and efficiently. Next, let's dive into your network. Run a quick internet speed test to ensure you have sufficient bandwidth. A minimum of 25 megabits per second is generally recommended for online gaming. Then, power cycle your router and modem by unplugging them for about 30 seconds before plugging them back in. If you are on Wi-Fi, try connecting your console directly with an Ethernet cable for a more stable and reliable connection. Now, let's look at game and system-specific solutions. First, ensure the Crew Motorfest is fully updated. Outdated game files can cause connection errors. Next, clear your console's cache. This process varies slightly by platform, but generally involves a full power cycle. If these steps don't work, and as a final measure, you might need to reinstall the game. This can resolve deeply embedded file corruption issues. Finally, if the error persists, it's time for advanced steps and official support. First, check the official Ubisoft server status page for the Crew Motorfest to confirm there are no widespread outages. If servers are fine, contact Ubisoft support. Provide them with the exact error code, 013, and a comprehensive list of all the troubleshooting steps you've already performed. Attaching screenshots or video can also be incredibly helpful for their team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.